Climon's technology uses an organic Rankine cycle, a closed thermodynamic cycle used to produce power from low-temperature heat sources. The system operates on a hot water flow containing waste heat and a cold water flow, while utilizing the properties of an organic working media circulating in the system to produce electricity. The organic working media boils at a temperature lower than water, which allows the machine to be productive with low-temperature heat sources. Fed into the evaporator, the cold liquid working media is heated by the waste heat, boils, and becomes a gas. It expands and creates a high-pressure flow. This flow of gas is then condensed by the cold water, creating a low-pressure flow. The pressure difference propels the turbine that drives the generator to produce electrical power. Once the working media has passed through the condenser, the cycle is repeated, ensuring Heat Power 300 can continuously generate electricity, provided both hot and cold water sources remain available.